PHASEFLEX Microwave RF Test Assemblies by Gore Associates are considered the gold standard for aircraft testing. Mission-critical military aircraft applications such as radar, electronic warfare, and C5 ISR suites demand reliable testing. For these applications, GORE PHASEFLEX Microwave RF Test Assemblies are the only internally ruggedized flexible RF test cable assemblies on the market that deliver consistent electrical performance with long service life in harsh environments. These purple microwave RF test assemblies have a durable construction with inner layers that provide excellent electrical performance, as well as outer layers that provide mechanical protection to allow these test assemblies to perform throughout the life of a system and reduce the need for replacement cables. They are crush resistant and provide greater than 250 pounds per linear inch of protection. These test assemblies perform reliably even after extensive flexing, with some cables exceeding 100,000 flex cycles. They can also withstand frequent connecting and disconnecting in laboratory, production, and field testing environments. In addition, GORE PHASEFLEX Microwave RF Test Assemblies provide excellent loss and phase stability with flexure for test applications that require precise, repeatable measurements and electrical performance up to 110 GHz. GORE PHASEFLEX Microwave RF Test Assemblies meet rigorous environmental challenges including temperature changes, moisture, shock, vibration, mechanical stress, and flexure. These cables endure constant coiling and uncoiling, as well as being dragged, pulled, stepped on, or even run over by carts. GORE's test assemblies have survived sharp edges, hinges, fuel, water, and hydraulic fluids. Additionally, during this exposure, these cables can be routed to, over, under, and through the aircraft to connect the device under test without harm. GORE PHASEFLEX Microwave RF Test Assemblies are the lifeline between the test equipment and the mission-critical systems under test. Research has showed more than 75% of microwave RF cables are replaced frequently because they are damaged during installation and while being used, have poor quality cable constructions, connector termination issues, and or fail when exposed to outdoor environmental conditions. In critical aerospace and defense testing environments, this is unacceptable and introduces serious questions around test data reliability and integrity. To learn more about GORE PHASEFLEX Microwave RF Test Assemblies, the proven gold standard option for precision measurements in mission-critical applications, visit gore.com/PhaseFlexDefense to learn more.